Hey folks, welcome to update 219. And as you can probably tell by now, my voice is shot. It's laryngitis as a result of COVID. Yeah, probably Omicron, considering all the symptoms I've had. Not been fun. More like a bad cold, so fun. It's been basically 5 days in isolation. Kept the store closed, unfortunately. Legally, I don't have to keep the store closed, but ethically, I figured I really don't want to pass this on to anybody else. Probably picked it up, I suspect, on my trip up north, which you've probably seen the video already. Anyway, going to keep this intro short. Have had a recent development on one of my videos regarding single site scammers, which I haven't done any recently, but there's one particular video that's got over 5,000 views on A. Castro Kim. Was the false name they were using. Basically, long story short, it's photos that have been used prolifically to scam a lot of people. I don't know if it's multiple scammers or just one, but they're getting rich. In this particular case, a fellow saw my video and saved himself $2,000. The scammer was wanting the person to send $2,000 to travel from Libya or somewhere, or Syria. Travel from Syria to the U.S. home. So, yeah, the fellow saved himself $2,000, was very happy that he saw the video. Anyway, yeah, so I saved somebody $2,000. I'm quite pleased with that. I'm glad that the video helped out. And I'm assuming he's subscribed, so thanks for subscribing. And thank you to all the new subscribers that have been jumping on the channel. And excuse the voice again, like I said, it's COVID. So, anyway, and there'll be more in this update, but for now I'm going to rest my voice and just relax a bit. Other than all that, I did have several sales on Etsy, probably the most sales I've ever had in a week. Suddenly, Etsy is selling real well. Don't know why, but maybe getting COVID somehow triggered sales on Etsy. I don't know. But anyway. So stay tuned. There'll be more of an update as time goes on. So I got cleaning the gum machines and finished this one up. The first one that finished up. I won't be able to finish the other ones because I need to buy a couple doors. And this one's not quite done yet either because I need a lock. And I need to put 4 rubber feet on it, which don't come with them when they're mounted on a stand. So I have to get the feet. The base has a bump in it from being mounted on the stand, so it rocks a little bit. So with the rubber feet, it won't rock anymore. It'll stand up properly. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Quite happy with the way it turned out. Got to put a little money into them, of course. So between time and money, it should be good for, I'm hoping, $100 or so, maybe $125 to get one, or to sell it, I mean. And new ones cost $175 US, so I think a used one should be good for $125 Canadian anyway. So yeah. So, and as you can tell, my voice is still screwed up from COVID, or from having COVID. So it's getting a little better though. Anyway, yeah, thought you might enjoy seeing this one in the update anyway. So I've got a second one done, another gum machine done. I do need a new door or a replacement door. The other one was had the chrome flaking off and was pretty nasty, so got to replace it. But turned out all right. Turned out decent. They look pretty good. I'm impressed. Yeah. So yeah, that's what they look like anyway, all cleaned up. Pretty snazzy. So yeah. So I got a third one cleaned up. I don't have the top because it's broken, so I've got to order a new top. And like I said, I got to order 2 new doors for the dispensing area there. So yeah, but anyway, they're turning out quite nice. Next I'll attack the 2 capsule machines, or the toy machines. So yeah, they're turning out pretty good. So once I get the parts, the feet, the doors, and the top and keys and locks, I'll be ready to go. So I've got to source those, but before I'm able to sell them. But I guess that'll be about it. So yeah, getting there. A lot of work, a lot of cleaning and everything, but they're pretty simple machines the way they come apart, and they're easy enough to figure out how they go back together. So anyway, that's the machines. Got one of the capsule machines cleaned up. Looks pretty decent. It's some corrosion on the aluminum there, but can't really do too much about that. Maybe theoretically I could take it off and give it a good polish or something, but I think it's okay the way it is. So I just need locks for those and they'll be ready to go. They work good, so yeah, pretty cool machines. Good looking machines. So I got the second one done, so they're all basically clean and ready to get their new parts. So they'll go for sale at that point once I get the new parts, which will probably be, I'm thinking a week or 2 weeks. Having to try to source them online from different places. So anyway, yeah, so they're looking pretty good. I'm quite happy with them. Took a bit of work, but yeah, some satisfaction there. So it is Saturday the 26th, and I opened early this morning, about 10 o'clock. Nobody through the door yet, though. It's only 11:30, 11:40 thereabouts. So nobody through the door, but yeah. COVID is pretty much done. I've tested negative now, so basically recovering, I suppose. Get tired a little bit easy if I'm doing a strenuous work. Voice is back, basically. Still a bit scratchy at times. Other than that, let's see. Prepping for an auction December 2nd on Canada Go Live Auctions on Facebook. I'll leave the link below this video so that you can join that just in case you want to buy some cool stuff. It's going to be heavy on advertising, toys, and nostalgia. Probably over 35 lots, maybe up to 45 lots. So yeah, there's going to be some neat stuff, some quality stuff going. And yeah, like I said, the link will be below this video, so you can check it out. That's December 2nd, 2022. So if you're looking at this video, watching this video a year later, well, it's a year too late. But yeah, it's this December 2nd anyway. And it starts at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Manitoba time. So I've been cleaning up the gum machines, as you previously saw, and I'm ordering some parts from a outfit in Ontario. So a little bit closer. I've been on some different vintage vending machine groups, gum machine groups, on Facebook, and have gotten some assistance there. But being this other outfits in Canada makes shipping and such a lot easier, and hopefully I'll get the parts fairly quickly once they dig them up in their warehouse. So, and I'm also going to be ordering some retro or perhaps even vintage candies, and or, well, not vintage candies. I don't think we'll go for vintage candy. Maybe we'll go for retro candy. Maybe those candy necklaces and candy watches and that sort of stuff. Stuff that is still being made now, but was popular in the 70s and 80s. So hoping to fill some of the machines with that sort of stuff. And the gum machines with the standard multicolored gumballs or jawbreakers or whatever. So yeah, it'll kind of deck the machines out and make them look even more attractive. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Take care, folks.